Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about major topics related to our previous class. As in a previous class, we discussed about electric current. So now I am going to give you some basic questions which are very important according to the point of view of paper. So see first question. What is the definition of electric current? Second one is what is formula of electric current, and third one is what is SI unit of current, and fourth one is define 1 ampere. So what is the definition of electric current? As we already discussed in our previous class, that it is a rate of flow of current is known as electric current. Rate of flow of charge is known as electric current. Second question is what is the formula of electric current? Formula of electric current is I is equal to Q upon T. Q is a charge, T is a time, and it refers to a flow of charge in a unit time. It is derived from definition itself. For example, rate of flow of charge कि कितना चार्ज फ्लो हो रहा है कितने टाइम में कितना चार्ज फ्लो हुआ है, वो होता है करंट. थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एसआई यूनिट ऑफ करंट. नाउ सी, एसआई यूनिट ऑफ करंट इज एम्पियर because the SI unit of charge is coulomb and SI unit of time is second. So coulomb per second is equal to ampere. Now second question related to the SI unit of current is identify the quantity represented by SI unit. It is coulomb by second is equal to ampere. In a symbolic, it is coulomb by second refers to a ampere. The examiner can also ask this question in this way, coulomb by second. Next is define 1 ampere. As we in our earlier class we didn't discuss the 1 ampere, so now I am going to discuss about it. SI unit of current is I is equal to Q upon T. SI unit of current is 1 ampere. SI unit of charge is 1 coulomb and SI unit of time is second. So how you define 1 ampere? 1 ampere is defined as when 1 coulomb charge flow through a circuit in a 1 second. Please note this definition. 1 ampere is defined as 1 coulomb of charge flows through a circuit in 1 second refers to a 1 ampere. Clear? Next one is question, which metal is used to make an electric wire? First option is steel, second is aluminium, third is copper, fourth is iron. According to you, which metal is used to make electric wire? The correct answer is copper, because in a copper the electron is in a outermost shell, and for us is it easier to remove the electrons from the outermost shell, so that's why it conducts the electricity more easier. Okay, see the topic next. Numerical. Note this numerical. A current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by a filament of electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flow through a circuit. I is equal to Q upon T. So formula of charge becomes I multiply T. It is equal to 0.5 multiply 10 multiply second, and charge becomes 300 coulomb. Clear? I hope that you all understand this topic, and we are going to next move to the next topic, that is electric potential. Electric potential, which refers to a flow of charge. Electric potential, for example, that water flows from a pipe, water flows from a high mountains to a lower plains, as heat flows from a hot body to cold body. जैसे हीट फ्लो करती है फ्रॉम दी हॉट बॉडी टू दी कोल्ड बॉडी, वैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन भी फ्लो करते हैं फ्रॉम थ्रू वायर. इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लोज थ्रू वायर. व्हेन फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज रेफर्स टू अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. जब भी चार्ज फ्लो करता है एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट से, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. नाउ कम टू फर्दर टॉपिक. इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लोज थ्रू वायर ड्यू टू प्रेशर. जब प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाता है देन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स फ्लो करते हैं. जैसे पानी का प्रेशर अगर एक पॉइंट पर जाता है तो पानी फ्लो करेगा, वैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स भी फ्लो करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक प्रेशर डिफरेंस इज़ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इलेक्ट्रॉन के प्रेशर डिफरेंस को क्या कहते हैं? पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. मूवमेंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, जैसे ही इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव करेंगे वो सेल और बैटरी को क्रिएट करते हैं, तभी सेल और बैटरी बनती है, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आयंस को मिलाकर. नेक्स्ट वन इज okay, for example, amount of work done is to amount of work done. to move 1 coulomb charge from one place to another. Okay, it is a work done. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इट इज़ अ वर्क डन, मतलब हमने कितना काम किया एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस पर पहुंचाने के लिए, वो होता है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे, व्हेन एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाइड ऑन इट वर्क इज़ डन, वर्क लगेगा. वर्क का लगना मतलब हम अपनी एनर्जी स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. वर्क डन ऑन यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज is called a potential difference. See the diagram. As we move the 1 coulomb charge from A to B, the amount of work done in moving the plus positive 1 coulomb charge from A to B is potential difference between A to B. Okay, and comes to the next formula. Potential difference is equal to the work done by charge. We denote potential difference with V and work done by W and charge by Q. So the SI unit of potential difference become volt. The SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of work done is joule. SI unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, joule by coulomb is volt. Potential difference is nothing but it is a work done, कि हमने कितना काम किया एक यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पर पहुंचाने के लिए, वो होता है पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. टू ट्रांसफ़र 1 कूलम चार्ज फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, हम उसको कहते हैं 1 वोल्ट. अब 1 वोल्ट को आप कैसे डिफाइन करोगे? 1 वोल्ट इज़ अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. 1 वोल्ट क्या होता है? एक तरह का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में, जैसे जहाँ से वो जा रहा है. 1 पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज़ अ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. अगर हम 1 जूल ऑफ वर्क कर रहे हैं डन टू मूव अ चार्ज ऑफ 1 कूलम फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, चार्ज कितना है? 1 कूलम. कितना हम वर्क कर रहे हैं? 1 जूल. वो जूल बाय कूलम को क्या कहते हैं? 1 वोल्ट. प्लीज़ नोट दिस डेफिनेशन एज इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वन. प्लीज़ नोट इट. ए टू बी इज़ 1 वोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है ए और बी पॉइंट्स का. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ potential difference can be denoted as a delta V because it is a small voltage. A to B 1 coulomb charge है. delta V is equal to work done by Q. वर्क कितना किया है हमने? 1 जूल. एंड चार्ज कितना है? 1 कूलम. सो इसका जब हम इसको सॉल्व करते हैं देन डेल्टा वी 1 वोल्ट आता है, मतलब 1 वोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है ए और बी पॉइंट के बीच में. नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल इज़ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज़ एट द पॉइंट ऑफ द ए पोटेंशियल कितना है? 50 वोल्ट. एट द पॉइंट बी पोटेंशियल कितना है? 30 वोल्ट. सो डिफरेंस कितना हुआ? 50 माइनस 30 दैट इज़ डेल्टा वी इज इक्वल टू 20 वोल्ट. सो 20 volt becomes the value of delta V. So put it in a formula. 20 is equal to work done. We didn't know work done by charge is 2 coulomb. So work done become 40 joule. This is how you do the numerical. Next is A to B. As a charge is small q. Okay. So this charge is capital Q. Delta V is equal to W by Q. Delta V is equal to final position minus initial position. That becomes at the final position the voltage is VB. At the initial position the voltage is A, VA, because we are going to move the charge from A to B. So B is our final position and A is our initial, means starting position. So VB minus VA it becomes the how much work is done to move a charge from A point to B. So work becomes A to B and charge is small q. This is how a general definition becomes. When there is a position of x or y, we are going to move the capital Q charge from the y to x. So final position is our x and initial is y. So Vx minus Vy is work done from y to x and charge is q. So this is how you will write a basic formula when you are going to describe about potential difference. Next, note this numerical. Find the work done to shift 4 coulomb charge from A to B if the potential difference between A and B is 10 volt. अगर potential difference 10 volt है, then how much work is done to shift a 4 coulomb charge? So the solution is here. You can easily note it. Please comment your Please reply in a comment section either you understood or not. Thank you.